Welcome back again, class 9th. Today we study graph of a linear equation in two variables. A linear equation in two variables is represented geometrically by a line whose points make the large number of collection of solutions of the equation. This representation is known as the graph of the linear equation. To draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables, it is enough to plot 2 points corresponding to two solutions and join them by a line. But we can plot more than 2 points to check the more correctness of the graph. The graph of the equation of the form y is equal to kx is a line which always passes through the origin. Let's take some example. Given the point 1 to find the equation of a line on which it lies. How many such equations are there? Its solution. Here 1, 2 is a solution of a linear equation. That is the line passing through the point 1, 2. Such equations are x plus y is equal to 3, y minus x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2x. There are infinitely many linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinates of the point 1, 2. Let's take another example. Draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 7. Its solution. First find the points x, y. If x plus y is equal to 7, this implies that if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 7. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 7. So the points are 0, 7, 7, 0. Here graph in graph paper, this is the paper, but you should draw in the graph paper. This is x axis, this is y axis. X, x dash, y, x, x dash, y, y dash. This is positive, negative, positive, negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is positive. Here negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, etc. We have when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. This point is 0, 7, that is x is 0, y is 7 in the y axis, and 7, 0, 7, x is 7, y is 0, that is on the x axis. Join the line, the 0, 7 and 7, 0. This line is x plus y is equal to 7. Then next example. Draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2x and y is equal to x. First x plus y is equal to 0, its solution. Then x is equal to minus y. The points are x, its solution are if x is equal to minus y, that is if x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 2. Here on the graph paper, draw two lines, intersect each other at origin 0, 0. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. This is x axis 1, 2, minus 1 minus 2 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that is from origin. Here positive numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers. The points are 1 minus 1, x axis 1, y axis minus 1, this point is. Then minus 1 1, x is minus 1, y is 1, this point. Next 2 minus 2, x is 2, y is minus 2, 2 minus 2. Next minus 2 2, x is minus 2, 2. Join the line. This is the graph of x plus y is equal to 0. Next y is equal to 2x, that is if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. Its graph. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. Here positive numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. We have 1 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, this point. Next 0 0, origin. Next minus 1 minus 2, x is minus 1, y is minus 2, this point. Join their line. This is y is equal to 2x. Next number, y is equal to x, that is if x is equal to y is equal to x, that is x is equal to y, that is if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to also minus 1. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 2, that is always x is equal to y. Here we draw two lines, that is x, x dash, y, y dash. You should draw in the graph paper. From origin, here positive numbers 1 2 3 4 5, negative numbers minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Here on the y axis, here positive numbers 1 2 3, negative numbers minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 1 1, x axis 1, y axis 1, this point. 2 2, x axis 2, y axis 2, this point. 0 0, this is origin. Next minus 1 minus 1, x axis minus 1, y axis minus 1, minus 2 minus 2. Join the points and draw a line. This line is y is equal to x. This completed your exercise 4.3. Now exercise 4.4. Equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. The graph of x is equal to a is a straight line parallel to the y-axis, and the graph of y is equal to a is a straight line parallel to the x-axis. That is, if x is equal to constant, then it is parallel to y-axis, and if y is equal to constant, then it is parallel to x-axis. Let's take some example. Draw the graph of x minus 2 is equal to 0. If x minus 2 is equal to 0, this implies that x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, that is, if x is equal to constant, then it is parallel to y-axis. Its possible solutions: x, y. If x is equal to 2, that is, if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. If y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2. If y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. That is, whatever be the value of y, the value of x is always 2. Here we draw the graph. Here I draw in the paper, but you should draw on the graph paper. This is x-axis, y-axis, intersect each other at origin. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So our points 2, 0. This is 2, 0. X is 2. On the x-axis 2, y-axis 0. That is 2, 0. 2, 1. X 2, y 1. 2 x axis 2 y axis 2, 2 minus 1, that is x axis 2 y axis minus 1. The point 2 2 2 1 2 0 2 minus 1. Join these points and draw a straight line. This is our solution. Next example. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solutions on number line and the Cartesian plane. Its solution: 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. This implies that 2x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. This implies that x is equal to minus 4. We know that if x is equal to a, then it is parallel to y axis. Here its possible solution: x is equal to minus 4, that is whatever may be the value of y, the value of x is always minus 4. That is, if x is 0, then if y is 0, then x is minus 4. If y is equal to 1, then x is minus 4. If y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to minus 4. If x is equal to y is equal to 2, then x is equal to minus 4. So the value of, here we take 4 values of y: 0, 1, minus 1, 2. First draw on the number line. This is on the number line. Origin or center 0, 1 2 3 4 5 positive numbers, here negative numbers: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. X is equal to minus 4. This is the solution. Next, on the graph paper or Cartesian plane: x y, x dash, y dash. Here positive numbers: 1 2 3 4 5, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1 2 3 4 positive numbers, y dash: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. We have x is equal to minus 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4, 0. This is the point. X is minus 4, y is 0. X is minus 4, y is 1. X is minus 4, y is 2. X is minus 4, y is minus 1. Joining these 4 points and draw a straight line. This straight line is our solution, that is parallel to y axis. That's all for today. Chapter 4.4 completed, and also your chapter 4 is completed.